How to fix Twitter not allowing you to delete posts. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix not allowing you to delete posts on Twitter. If you are having trouble deleting a post on Twitter, there are some steps you can try to troubleshoot this issue. Sometimes a simple refresh on the page can resolve temporary glitches. Try refreshing the page where the post is located and then attempt to delete it again. Also, clearing your cache and cookies can resolve various issues with functionality. For that, you can go to the device setting and from the applications, search for Twitter application. From here, you can clear your cache and data. After clearing cache and cookies, log back to your Twitter and try deleting the post again. If this issue persists, try accessing Twitter from a different web browser or device. This can determine if the problem is specific to the application or the browser. Occasionally, Twitter experiences outages or technical issues that can affect the functionality. Check Twitter's status page or other online sources for any reported outages. If none of these steps resolve your issue, you may need to contact Twitter support for further assistance. You can also reach out to them through Twitter Help Center or by sending a direct message to @Twitter support. By following this step, you should be able to resolve this issue with deleting your post on Twitter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.